Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to transfer photos from iPhone to Mac. There are many ways to do so, but we will discuss the easy and quick way. So, let's dive right in. Visit the Apple Store on your device and install the Send Anywhere app. Open the Send Anywhere app on your mobile device. Then, tap on the Send button from the bottom menu bar. Next, tap on the Photos option from the top tools. Now, choose the desired photos you want to send. And then, tap on the Send button. Once you select the photos, Send Anywhere will generate a 6-digit key. Now on your Mac device, open any web browser. And then, visit sendanywhere.com. The link is provided in the description. Once you are on the website, enter the 6-digit code in the provided field. Then, click on the Receive button. And that's it. By using this method, you can transfer photos from iPhone to Mac. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.